Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo?
Where you at?
What up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back with another video, back with some new angles. I had to get y'all my pretty side, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we finna go do some work on this Corvette. I know it's been a while since the last time y'all seen me, and that I do apologize for, but there is no need of apologizing. Sometimes life just happens and you gotta roll with the punches. So this is my attempt at rolling with these punches, and that's why y'all seeing me here today. As far as on the Corvette, there isn't much left, just a bunch of loose ends to tie up. I did get new exhaust manifolds, so that should no longer be an issue as far as hitting the firewall. The wiring harness is already ran and everything is plugged in. The only thing that I could think of that we're missing is still intake with the air cleaner, the air filter on the end of it. We gotta find a setup for that that'll work in the Corvette. But outside of that, man, it's just about ready to fire up. I did go ahead and order also a gas pedal. The one that I fabricated sucked, it was terrible, but I just went ahead and spent the funds on it. So I am headed to the gas station now, put some fuel in this bad boy, and I'll come back to y'all once we get to the vet. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back again with another video. And as you see by my cool, stylish little vest, man, we are not at home. We're actually at a junkyard, as you can see. Plentiful, it's a lot of stuff, but what we came for was this. This looks identical to my Corvette. I believe this is a 1992, I believe, and I have an 86, so similar but not the same. And it still has the, I believe this is an LT4 in it, so this was a good find. I'm gonna scavenge as many parts as I can off of this bad boy, but there's also a bunch of LS vehicles out here, so we're also gonna take a trip over to that section, have a list of parts that I needed, and of course it's better to buy new. But you know what I'm saying? I'm tired of forking up all that cash. I'm just ready to see it run. So we finna get what we need to get in order to make this thing run. So without further ado, let's get into it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back with another video. Man, it's been a minute. I love y'all. I missed y'all. Hope y'all miss me too and seeing my face. See these good sides. You know what I'm saying? Y'all feel me? Nah, just playing with you. But welcome back to another video. Today, we're back messing with the vet, and I don't think too much has been done since the last time y'all seen it. This is as it sits right now. Everything is just about ready to go. We did have a bolt that got stuck in the engine. We attempted to pull the engine to get it out. We're unsuccessful at doing that, and I found out that they sell an adapter that you could pretty much put on the back of the block that'll hug that specific header location in, and you won't have to worry about having to drill and tap that out. If it comes down to it and it becomes an issue, I'll do that, but until then, that's how we're gonna solve that problem there. Today we got a couple things to take care of. I'm gonna go ahead and install the exhaust manifolds. I am also going to attempt to route the coolant hoses, and then I also have to find a solution for that hose over there. We got our work cut out for us today. We also got a gas pedal. Y'all remember that gas pedal I attempted to fabricate like 3 months ago? That ain't gonna work, so I went and bought another one, and we're just gonna roll with it like that. So without further ado, I'm done talking. I'm ready to get dirty, so let's get into it. Bow. Alright, y'all, so this is the set of headers that came off of it, and because of the 305 coming in it, this style header is not gonna work. So got the eBay special and got these are 305 styled is what it was advertised as, so this should fit on the motor with no issues. I'm gonna get it out and show y'all what it looked like. And this right here still look pretty beautiful, you know what I'm saying? Can't complain with that. We finna go ahead and throw these bad boys on to see if they fit. I know a lot of y'all been asking, where J-Lo at? Here I am. You feel me? Hey, I've been slacking, but we finna clean this up. We finna get things back in motion. We finna put some pep to the step. You did what I'm saying? And get this mug back running. So today is solely cleaning this mug up, getting it ready to get finished, and then I'll give y'all an update on where I am. As a matter of fact, I'll do it now, and then I'll leave the rest of the video. Let me get this open. No stress, no C's, no Sims, no sticks. Some of that sticky icky icky. Ooh wee. Put it in the air. I just wanted to give y'all a quick overview. Ignore all that. That's gonna be a different episode of addressing everything left. I'm just gonna show y'all where we at real quick with it. So as you see, man, this thing fits like it is at home. You know what I'm saying? Headers on it and everything. Everything was good to go. I've been doing a little bit of research, of course. There are more parts that I gotta get, but we are really close to starting this up. We just gotta close this loop right here on the water pump. Water pump is installed, lower radiator hose is installed, so that'll be it for the cooling system. It still has a coolant reservoir over here, so I'll tap that back into the radiator. And we have to get a top mount hose for the coolant. Top mount hose is missing. We have to get an intake. I'll probably get like a 90 out down that way, so can let it breathe right there. Once that's capped, I started doing a little wiring over here. I'll probably finish this up tomorrow, but you see the wiring here. I had to extend the transmission power unit, and then the speed sensor also had to get modified right here. So I did make it a little longer, tried to keep it color coordinated, so on and so forth. If I ever got to dive into wiring, I remember how I wired it. Unfortunately, I ran out of the colors that I needed, so I took it upon myself to figure that out. Once that's finished, the wiring harness will be plugged up. We're gonna use the mass airflow sensor. I would eventually like to get it tuned so it can run without it, but we're gonna get the mass airflow sensor on top of the intake. And that's it, I believe, as far as the powertrain goes. I think I'll probably switch the battery to a top mount instead of a side mount if I can get it to fit, because this battery's shot dead. And then of course we'll have to build around it, but I at least want to get it running first, and then we'll do everything else to it. Today is solely cleaning this mug up. It looks bad, makes me look bad when I talk about it and look at it. It's like, ew, bruh. It got mold on it, you know what I'm saying? The mug been sitting for forever. Look at the back. That nasty.
Motherfucker, y'all ain't seen us in the motherfucking while, but guess what? God did. Y'all see what's hanging over there?
Hold on. Can I show?
I don't give a y'all already know what it is.
You feel me? This is his new setup right here, dog. And we can't tell you, you know what I'm saying, everything you got going, but I'll let y'all admire it because, you know what I'm saying, it's beautiful. And then he also has the car, of course. I'm trying to get him back into making content.
I told y'all.
He needs
I told y'all we was coming for the ass. Look, y'all see that? BTA. BT mother.
It's almost over with for y'all. We missed last summer, unfortunately. You know, I was too optimistic thinking we was gonna be done and realizing that good quality take time. So we taking our time with it, making sure we do it right. Yeah, man, I'm done yapping, I'm done blabbering. We finna get to cleaning this mug up. Smooth little ASMR real quick. Love y'all, appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and let's do it. Alright y'all, I'm gonna be honest, this might have been my favorite part of editing this whole video. This thing was nasty, like seriously disgusting. More disgusting than that episode of SpongeBob where Squidward's toe got peeled back. It's been neglected just as much as I've neglected myself lately, and if you've been watching the last couple of videos, you know things have definitely taken a turn for the worse. Change is tough to fight, but sometimes you just gotta sit through it and adapt. And now that we're finally on the other side of that mountain, it's time to focus on getting this thing running again. I've had a bunch of people stop me while I was out asking for vet content, so this one is specifically for y'all. I appreciate the support even while I was gone. I'm aiming to have this thing up and running before the end of the year, and honestly, we're on pace to make that happen. So sit back, relax, and watch me bring this thing back to life. Oh yeah, I've officially gone way over budget with this thing too. Like my wallet is wheezing, my pockets are barking, and my bank account is threatening to file an restraining order on me. If y'all want a full build breakdown, y'all let me know, because it's going to hurt me just as much as it hurts you. You know what I'm saying? And keep in mind, this is just the mechanical side of things. We still got to tackle the aesthetic stuff. I'm not excited for that at all, but I already know y'all love to watch me struggle, so here we are. I've also been thinking about downsizing the fleet so I can actually focus on projects instead of bouncing around like a chaotic YouTube mechanic. But who knows? Maybe that means we'll add something else cool to the channel. So definitely stay tuned, because things are about to get interesting. Y'all can see a couple, probably about an hour of pressure washing and washing and pressure washing and washing and pressure washing and washing. And you see that this mug is finally looking a little less dusty. You know what I'm saying? She's still gonna need a lot of work. I'm gonna have to get this windshield replaced and come on, clean up some of the wiring too. I did hit it with a leaf blower to blow extra moisture out, but a lot of that was greasy and nasty too. So we cleaned it up. That was today's purpose, which means that the rest of this, if y'all get another video, if it's two, whatever, by the end of those, that you will be running. That's it. Y'all gotta hold me to it now. But yeah, that's all this was about. So I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me.
Hey, look at that motherfucker down there though.
Where you
Look at that motherfucker down there though.
Where you oh. Crikey.
Yeah, it's almost that time. When y'all hear that motherfucking chopping, y'all know what time it is. Putting that belt to y'all motherfucking ass. Belt to motherfucking ass. I'm telling you, that's all I'm saying. Yeah.
What he said. Appreciate y'all for rocking with us. It's your
And
boy
I'm be back
J-Lo.
on YouTube too real soon.
Y'all heard him. Y'all gotta hold him to it too. That's it though. Love y'all. We out of here. Peace. Good.